atmosphere with melody and light, it is now time to formally set the context for this afternoon's proceedings. May I now invite our respected principal, Shri Sisi Ranjan Panigrai sir, to extend a formal welcome to our esteemed guest and articulate the vision that drives this institution.
Good afternoon all. A school is not merely a place of learning. It is a place where dreams are nurtured, talents are discovered, and values are shaped. Today's gathering is a celebration of achievement earned through hard work and shared vision. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, respected members of management, faculty members, parents, and most importantly, our exceptional students. It gives me immense pride and joy to stand before you today as we gather to celebrate one of the most cherished occasions of our academic calendar, the 4th annual function of Sai Vinayak International School, Umang 2025-26. It is truly an honor to welcome each one of you on this auspicious occasion, which marks a milestone in our journey of excellence and togetherness. In this sacred and vibrant atmosphere, I am delighted to extend a heartfelt welcome to our honorable chief guest, our inspiring chief speaker, our esteemed guest of honor, and the respected members of our management. I also warmly welcome the teaching, the non-teaching staff who form the backbone of Sai Vinayak family, the media personnel who are here to capture and share moments, and most importantly, the students who are the heart and soul of this institution. We are privileged to have us today an eminent personality, a beacon of inspiration, and an accomplished administrator, Mr. Jivananda Panigrai sir, as our chief guest. He is the present director of Vinayak Residential Higher Secondary School, Bhadrak. His knowledge and spirit will surely enthrall all of us. It is truly an honor to welcome him as the chief guest for this special occasion. Next, we are equally honored to welcome the chief speaker of today's celebration, a visionary and a revolutionary literary personality and Sahitya Academy awardee, Mr. Pavitra Panigrahi sir. He is renowned for his remarkable contribution to literature. His words reflect wisdom, creativity, and social consciousness. I am confident that the wisdom and insights in his address will serve as a guiding light, helping us navigate and thrive in this era of education with precision and purpose. We extend a warm and respectful welcome to our chairman of Sai Vinayak International School, Mr. Pramod Kumar Rao sir. He is a great educationalist, social activist, a great leader too. He has served, presently he is serving in as a principal in a Rambagh Regional College, Degree College, Rambagh. His dynamic spirit, brilliant administration, and vigorous enthusiasm will be the exemplary forever. We feel proud and extremely honored for having him on this stage. One tree can start a forest, one word can frame a goal, one candle can wipe out darkness, and a true leader has the confidence to stand alone. With a spring in my step and anticipation in my heart, with immense pleasure, I welcome the guest of honor of this celebration, the principal of Vinayak Residential Higher Secondary School, Bhadrak, Mr. Prabhat Prabhakar Padi sir. Sir, your kind presence will definitely enlighten the spirit of this occasion and lead us towards greater height. Next, no country or no community can progress without embracing a fundamental values of leadership, as an integral part of its identity. Indeed, development, success and achievement are unattainable without a visionary leader. To our great fortune, we have the guiding light of Binayak family, the founder of Sai Binayak International School, Mr. Manoj Kumar Padi sir. Very soon, sir will also join us. He is the former principal of Panchayat Degree College, Barikpur, and currently serving as lecturer in political science at the same institution. Next, a warm welcome to the director of our school, Mr. Bhagyadhar Ponda sir. A person remarkable punctuality, dedication and unwavering commitment of Mr. Ponda leads this a friendly demeanor and constant smile that inspires everyone around him. His rational approach to every situation and his steadfast focus on excellence mark him a true role model for all of us. Very soon also Ponda sir will join us. It is with great pleasure and gratitude that we welcome Madam Subhalakshmi Padhi, the President of Binayak Learning Trust. She embodies a spirit of unwavering enthusiasm, boundless courage, and a nurturing motherly love that touches everyone around her. Her restless care and dedication are the driving force behind the success of Binayak family. Her presence here today truly elevates this celebration, and we are honored to have her with us. It is also an honor to have Madam Mrs. Pramila Raut, the esteemed trustee of Binayak Learning Trust, with us today. She is a true embodiment of enduring enthusiasm and unwavering courage, radiating a maternal love and limitless care as a constant source of inspiration for the success of Binayak family. Mrs. Raut is a remarkable social activist, a passionate motivator, and a granular philanthropist. Her presence adds a special warmth in this significance to this occasion. Next, I welcome the academic advisor of Sai Binayak International School, Mr. Nityananda Jena sir, the former principal of DAV institutions and who is the man behind all of these program we are continuing. The annual function is a celebration of hard work and dedication of our students who have put in tremendous effort throughout the year of excel in academics, sports, the arts, and various co-curricular activities. It is also a moment to recognize the invaluable contributions of our teachers and staff whose unwavering support and guidance have been instrumental in shaping our students' journey. Beyond imparting knowledge, they have nurtured important values and principles, helping to mold our students into responsible, respectful individuals who are ready to become the leaders of tomorrow. The theme of this annual function, Igniting Potential from Learning to Leadership, perfectly captures this essence of our school vision and mission. It reflects our commitment to inspire the students to dream big, believe in their abilities, and work diligently to achieve their goals. We firmly believe that every student has the potential to shine and succeed, and we are dedicated to provide them all possible opportunities, resources, and support needed to nurture their talent and help them realize their full potential. The annual function is also time to relax, have fun, and enjoy the exceptional performances of our students who have worked hard to prepare a variety of cultural and creative programs for your entertainment. Throughout the evening, you will experience the diversity and vibrancy of our culture along with innovation and originality that our students bring to the stage. I am confident that you will be amazed by their talent, enthusiasm, and dedication. In closing, I hope this annual function become unforgettable celebration of this brilliance and spirit within our school community. Once again, a heartfelt and warm welcome to each one of you. Thank you all. Have a great evening. Jai Vinayak.